How a comedy show held in Abuja transformed the life of a woman totally. And she became not just a millionaire, a multi-millionaire in 10 minutes.
I personally, I'm gonna give you 10 million naira.
I mean, Queen is just a regular person like you and me, and she decided to attend Brain Jotter's Out of the Box show that is holding in Abuja. If you don't know Brain Jotter is a Nigerian comedian, a successful Nigerian comedian who has made every one of us laugh. And his signature dance, Queen did not even buy a VIP ticket. She didn't own a big house, a big car. She bought a regular ticket, arrived early and was waiting for everywhere to be arranged before she can enter. She even helped the people arranging. The beautiful thing is that she arrived early. From Brain Jotter's hotel room, he strolled down and then he saw her and he was like, "Are you part of the team?" Because she was on crutches. Perhaps he wondered how someone on crutches will arrive so early. Or someone on crutches is part of the team working. What a hardworking lady. He just noticed her, in her doing what is right. And the reason he asked her if she was part of the team because he saw her helping out. In the course of the show, he just mentioned, "I want to make people millionaires." And then he started called someone, Allah started raining. Now everything would turn around when he suddenly remembered her.
No. I remember, that one lady wey carry crutches, na she be first to come.
And he asked if she was still in the venue. Dear friend, God make you noticed and remembered by your destiny helper. Say a big amen in comments. Now the helped carried her up to the stage. It was so obvious that it's her time to shine because why? The alert didn't stop raining. In her own case, it kept raining and raining and raining. Brain Jotter just opened the floor by giving her 1 million naira, saying, "I will give you 1 million naira."
Okay, on behalf of myself, I will give you 1 million naira.
Next, someone gave 4 million naira.
Tokyo nightclub, now, is giving her 4 million naira.
Another 2 million naira.
Repeat, 2 million naira for her.
Another 1 million naira.
Kefiano Autos, 1 million.
Another company asked, what is your medical condition? We want to handle everything.
And they want to know what the medical condition is on them.
I hope you know how much that will consume. Another 1 million naira.
King Solomon Best is giving her 1 million.
Another 1 million naira.
How much?
8 million.
8 million. You go reach 10. Fidela Homes. They don't say I will give, they have given 1 million.
Another 2 million naira.
PMD the lifestyle has already transferred 2 million. Yes.
Another decided to give her, process visa for her to Canada. She probably haven't traveled outside Nigeria. As a regular person, most people in Nigeria haven't traveled outside Nigeria. And here she was. We will handle everything about your visa. You won't pay a dime. Do you know what that means?
Mama, you like travel? Yes. Ocean Wave have agreed to process your visa to Canada. This one we go follow all. What is your name, man?
Queen of Nigeria.
You said
Queen of Nigeria.
this show is now outside the box with who? Queen Owner.
And then this particular man came out.
I don't think I've ever seen what's going on here tonight. If you're blessed and you can't bless others, that means you are nobody. Let me tell you something. What you did tonight, it's wonderful. Brain Jotter tonight is trying to put a smile on your face. I personally, I'm gonna give you 10 million naira.
And he gave 10 million naira. Dear friends, you may be discouraged, you may be tired, you may be disappointed in life. You are hardworking, you put in your best, but You need destiny helpers. You need this, you need that, and it's not forthcoming. When it is your time, you will shine. Please share this video to encourage others. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. God bless Brain Jotter. Check the description for the link to his full video, to this full video, and give a subscribe to him. And also subscribe to this channel. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments. See you. Bye.